What if you found out that one sentence in your employment contract could control your hours, your probation, your leave, and even how you're fired? And most Jamaican workers never notice it until it's too late. Before you sign an employment contract in Jamaica, there are 5 sections you must check. Or you could be agreeing to things you never intended. Let's break them down clearly, so you know exactly what to look for. The first thing to check is your job title and duties. Why? Because whatever is written here controls the tasks you can be asked to do and the tasks you can refuse. If your duties are too vague, the employer can stretch your role into anything. If they're too specific, they may reduce what you're allowed to do. Always make sure this section is clear, fair, and matches what you were told during the interview. The second thing to check are your working hours and overtime. This is one of the most commonly overlooked parts. Your contract should clearly state your daily hours, your weekly hours, whether overtime applies, when overtime must be approved, work on weekends or public holidays. If the contract says hours as required, that's a red flag. It gives the employer too much flexibility and gives you no protection when shifts increase or become unreasonable. The third thing to check is your probation period terms. Probation must be in writing and for a reasonable time, usually 3 to 6 months in Jamaica. Check for the length of probation, how performance will be reviewed, whether probation can be extended, how much notice you get if dismissed during probation. If it's not written, it doesn't exist. The fourth thing is your leave entitlements. Your contract must include your leave benefits, including vacation leave, sick leave, maternity or paternity leave, bereavement leave, special leave if offered. Some employers reduce leave below what your industry normally offers, and workers only find out when they try to apply. The final and fifth thing is your termination and notice period. This is the section most workers skip, and it's the most important. Your contract should state how much notice you get, how much notice you must give, what counts as misconduct, what counts as grounds for immediate firing, whether disputes go to the Ministry of Labor or arbitration. If the termination clause is unclear or unfair, you could be signing away your right to challenge a future dismissal. Some contracts include a dangerous line. Employee agrees to all employer policies, including those updated from time to time. This means the employer can change rules after you sign, and you are automatically bound by them. Always ask for a copy of all policies, clear explanation of disciplinary rules, confirmation that major policy changes must be shared with staff. So here's a list of what to do before signing. Read every line twice. Ask questions. Request time to think. Get policies in writing. Clarify anything unclear. Don't sign under pressure. A contract is a legal agreement. Once you sign, you are bound by it. So take the time to protect yourself. If you're unsure about a clause, ask HR for clarification. You can also speak with the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, or seek guidance from a labor professional. Your contract should empower you, not trap you. So before you sign your next employment contract in Jamaica, make sure you understand every line, every clause, and every obligation. It's your job, your career, and your future. Protect it. If this video helped you to stay informed and stay protected, like, subscribe, and share for more workers' tips on our YouTube channel. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.